Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about QNT. So price action is really slow here at the moment. We broke recently below the white trend line, which you could call the neckline of this head and shoulders pattern. A lot of people see this head and shoulders and as a result would expect price to head down to a normal head and shoulders target, which could be somewhere down there around $50. Now, while I cannot rule that out, I personally don't think it will go down that much, at least not given what the price action is suggesting here, because price has already sold off like how much? Like 55% off the top here. And if you look at the structure, we had a very impulsive sell-off initially, which fits well to an A wave impulse. A B wave to the upside, which at the time rallied into our resistance for B. And now we've been, well, working on this sell-off since the beginning of February. So we had February, March, April, May. So like long time. And it's very flat. And volatility is reducing, volume is reducing. That indicates a typical ABC zigzag correction with an ending diagonal. And, you know, psychologically, count-wise, this could be close to the end. And psychologically as well, I mean, you see it gets harder and harder for the sellers to push it down. Buyers are slowing it down, obviously, to the downside. Buyers aren't strong enough yet to push higher. But it's certainly something to observe, and I don't think we will go down that much lower, even though my target range is between $94 and $62. It could be that the $100 level will be enough. I've highlighted to you in previous videos this trend line, so observe that trend line. If we break above that, that could be an indication that we are ending this move down, but eventually we need a 5-wave move up and a 3-wave move down to confirm, and it would be good to break above the wave 4 high at $110. As long as we stay below the trend line, as long as we stay below $110 as well, the focus has to be on lower. And $100 is next support, and then $94. The reason is that typically in such an ABC correction, in a zigzag, the C wave would end below the A wave. And I think the mindset has to be that we go down lower until the price can turn around in an impulsive way. Because we've been now for months in this downtrend, at some point it will be over. But until we have a signal, we can't really say it is. Now, we see already on the daily time frame some bullish divergences. Yeah, you make higher lows on the RSI, whereas over the last few months we've made lower lows on the price chart. So that's potentially something that could indicate a turnaround coming. And the daily MACD might cross bullish. Now it's too early to say, but it has another chance potentially to turn bullish in a few days. If price slows down or gives a little bit of a green candle, then we have a bullish cross on the MACD. And even though that doesn't mean it will go all bullish, but it could indicate a larger bounce possibly. So just be watching that. Bullish divergence on the RSI and a bullish crossover on the MACD could indicate something is coming. But yeah, overall, slow price action. And we're looking at this as an ending diagonal here at the moment, this wave 5 of C. And yeah, within that, we have an ABC structure. And in the C wave, we have nearly 5 waves. So maybe one more low, and that should be enough. Certainly, I'd like to see price to go below $102, which is the low of the 3rd wave. But yeah, it's a market where we need a lot of patience at the moment. I know it's a frustrating market, but that's exactly when a lot of people lose interest, leave the market, and then at some point it will start again. Okay, that's my update about QNT. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.